I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with the car parked and ignition in the accessory or ready state. That powers the instrument cluster while keeping engine off. Once done, make sure the key fob is inside and all doors are closed so the system accepts commands. Now use the center screen or left steering button cluster to access the service and settings menu. You're starting the process. Locate oil service or reset oil life in the maintenance submenu to proceed to the next step. You navigate the driver display with the left side buttons, press menu, then scroll to car. Once selected, choose service and find oil service or reset oil life. Press the center confirm button. The cluster will prompt you to confirm the reset. Hold the confirm or OK button for 3-5 seconds if required to register your choice. As you do this, the system recalculates service interval values. Make sure you see the confirmation message, so you complete the procedure by confirming the display shows oil life at 100% or a successful reset message. That indicates the system accepted the change. If the message does not appear, switch ignition off, wait 10 seconds, then repeat the reset sequence. Sometimes the cluster needs a quick cycle. If a service light or error persists after retrying, make sure the correct service was recorded and consult the owner manual or a dealer. Persistent warnings can indicate a sensor or software issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.